Selling on Amazon can be like searching for a needle in a haystack, especially when you're trying to find the right product to sell on Amazon. There are just so many options in Amazon's massive catalog that you feel lost in a sea of endless possibilities. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Hello everyone, I'm Ankita, product evangelist at SellerApp, and today I'm going to show you how to do product research on Amazon step by step. Our highlight feature of the day is SellerApp's product research feature. Here, you can easily discover the winning products on Amazon with the best pre-filtered metrics. The smart filters allow you to automatically and instantly uncover the products that check off the major points in your Amazon product research checklist. For our top 3 channel subscribers, we have a free 6-month SellerApp subscription plan worth of $450. Exciting, isn't it? Find the link of the SellerApp product research feature in the comment section below. Also stay tuned to this video to know more about this powerful feature. Well, here's a quick overview of the topics we are covering in today's video. Before we begin, if you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to SellerApp so you don't miss out on more exciting Amazon selling tutorials in the future. And don't forget to follow us on our social media channels. Now let's get started. What is product research and why is it important? The concept is to look for products that you can find cheaply and sell for a profit. Doesn't it appear to be very simple? However, it is a process with numerous essential factors to consider. The viability of the products you research can be affected by various factors, including the niche selection, the brand restrictions, competition, and costs and fees. If you do not dedicate enough time to improving your research skills, you may miss out on identifying potentially profitable products. Simply selecting the products randomly based on your personal preferences or the assumptions of their sales potential, it is insufficient, as your beliefs and the actual research findings are likely to differ significantly. So don't sell what you want to sell, sell what sells. In order to successfully sell products on Amazon, make a profit, I have created a checklist outlining the specific criteria that a new product must meet. This is simply the checklist I suggest to sellers. If you are an experienced seller, you don't have to follow this, but if you are just starting out, this is a great guideline. Firstly, sales price, $15 and above. We would typically seek out products with a sales price of $15 or more. This is because when it comes to private label products, a general rule of thumb is that 1/3 of the price goes towards the production and shipping. Another 1/3 goes towards the Amazon fees, and the remaining 1/3 goes to your profit. Therefore, with a $15 product, you can anticipate a profit of $5 per order, which is a substantial profit margin. However, if the sales price is below $15, your profit margin will decrease rapidly. Second is healthy profit margin. To ensure a healthy profit margin, we have previously discussed maintaining a 33% of production cost plus shipping, 33% of Amazon fees, and 33% of profit ratio. So while higher margins are always better, achieving this ratio is still good. It is advisable to limit the production cost to a maximum of 25%, which leaves 8% for shipping costs. For instance, if a product is priced at $15, it is preferable to produce it at a maximum cost of $3.75, which leaves $1.25 for transportation, thus allowing us to maintain the desired 33% of ratio. When doing the product research, I usually do a quick search on Alibaba.com to do a price check. Third is high demand. This is very much dependent on your goals and how much you want to make on your product. As discussed, personally, I want to make at least 33% of profit on a product per month. Based on this, I should look for products that have at least $6,000 revenue per month. You can check the demand of the product with SellerApp's opportunity score. I'll be taking you through this exclusive feature shortly. Fourth is low competition. Now, this is an important factor to consider while selecting a niche. However, assessing the level of competition in a niche can be quite complicated. So, to evaluate the competition level, I rely on certain factors. First is reviews. To outperform your competitors in terms of reviews, it's ideal to look for products that have multiple sellers on the first page with less than 50 reviews. This way, you can easily catch up with them and even surpass them in terms of their reviews. Next is product photos. Good product photos are crucial for attracting customers. If a niche has sellers with only 2 to 3 low quality images, it indicates that there is a room for improvement. By creating 7 high quality images, including the lifestyle shots and infographics, you can easily beat them in this aspect. Next is listing quality. A seller's description of their product and the use of relevant keywords to attract customers also play a significant role. For instance, a product described as iPhone charger lacks detail and specificity compared to white iPhone charger 6 feet, charging cable for iPhone X8, 7 plus iPod, iPad Pro and more. So product quality is next. When it comes to product quality, I have a simple approach. If I see that the top sellers on page 1 have an average rating of 4 stars or below, I know that there is a room for improvement. So to identify the areas for improvement, I read their 1-star reviews and use that feedback to make my own product better. I choose these factors to evaluate a niche because they are what customers consider when making their purchasing decisions. So I ask myself, can I outperform my competitors in these areas? By asking questions like, can I create a better listing? Can I offer a lower price? Can I deliver a better quality product? Can I get more reviews? If I can answer yes to most of these questions, I have a good chance of ranking on page 1. Fifth is easy to manufacture. Now, if you are new to manufacturing products from China, it's important to start with something very easy. There are many potential pitfalls in the manufacturing process, and if you lack experience, you might miss some of them. That's why I recommend that new sellers look for products that are simple to make. Avoid electronics and products that require a lot of assembly. Instead, focus on the products made from one piece or one type of material. Sixth is seasonality. While seasonal products can be profitable, it's important to consider whether the product you're interested in is affected by the seasonal demand. For instance, if you research pool toys in July, you may find a high demand for them. However, if you launch your product in November, you may find out there isn't any significant demand. Therefore, it's crucial to be aware of seasonal trends before investing in a product. You can use SellerApp Chrome extension to research historical monthly sales and determine if a product is affected by seasonal demand. To check out this free tool, find the link in the description below. Moving on to the main part, how to do product research on Amazon. Firstly, do the research manually. One method of conducting the product research is manually, even though it may seem time consuming. However, this method can become more efficient since most people lack the patience to do it manually. You can begin by searching for products on Amazon and other e-commerce marketplaces and platforms. Check the Amazon's bestseller page. One useful resource to check during your product research is Amazon's bestsellers page. It provides a wealth of information on the top selling products and should be the first thing you examine when starting a business on Amazon. Use the categories and the niches of products to find the most popular ones quickly. It may also help you choose a niche if you are unsure which one to select. Use SellerApp Chrome extension to analyze the products and the keywords on the Amazon page itself to give you powerful insights and compare the products on the go. Now let me show you how you can easily get access to the trends, the listing quality index score, the opportunity score, and more information about the product entailing the estimated orders per day, estimated revenue per day, sellers, etc. You can analyze the selling information of a product to determine what items will appeal to your target audience. Additionally, check the related products to better understand the areas where your brand can grow. Remember that having a fewer competitors increases your chances of selling the item. Once you have a general understanding of the market and some products, use additional tools to examine historical sales data and determine whether there is sufficient demand to sell in the marketplace. Alternatively, you can use tools like Google Keyword Planner and Google Trends. Check out what your other competitors are up to. Researching your competition is the next step to promoting your chosen product. You can start by checking your main competitors through Amazon's bestseller page. This can provide insights into the most popular products and those receiving positive reviews and ratings from the customers. Additionally, you can use Google or other search platforms to see if your competition's results appear after entering the relevant search terms. Look at the customers also bought, frequently bought together, and the sponsored product sections. So this is another useful technique for conducting your Amazon product research. It is definitely going to be beneficial for you. These tabs underneath the main listings can provide valuable insights into the product and even the category you are researching. Understanding your potential audience's mindset and even the buying process is crucial, and you can develop and research a unique product bundle by combining the items frequently purchased together on Amazon. This approach can help you create a top-selling product. Second is automated tool. It is undoubtedly one of the fastest ways to conduct research. They save time and prove to be useful. All that is required is to have access to the right tools that can provide all the analytics in one place. Here is an ultimate tip that can help you discover interesting products for your online businesses. Simply access the SellerApp's product research feature to get everything in one place. This tool is exclusively designed to provide you with estimates of monthly sales, revenue, number of reviews, and other useful metrics to make research more efficient, organized, and enhanced. This is a great way to easily validate your product research. Let me quickly show you how. After logging into the SellerApp dashboard, this is how the platform looks like, where all the key actions reflect. Navigate to the product research feature over here. If you are a beginner level seller or an experienced seller looking to expand your portfolio, then this is the perfect feature you're looking at. We have recently upgraded this with smart filters and advanced filters, and I can't wait to show it to you. Simple filters are for beginners. Under this we have category and include keywords fields. You can choose any category from the drop-down menu and enter your keyword. If you aren't sure about this, you can simply make use of these smart filters: bestseller, low competition, high growth, and custom. I'm selecting bestseller and clicking on search products. The search results will be displayed on the screen. You can also go to edit filters and choose other smart filters, say for example custom. Here you get two options: simple and advanced. Under advanced you get all of these options. Select the desired category, enter the minimum and maximum range for ratings, review, count, then weight, opportunity score, BSR, etc. After filling in all the information, you can also save filter by entering the name, so that when you visit again, you can continue with your search effortlessly. Now click on search products. Here you will find the overview section. These values are for page 1 products. Once you go to page 2, the overview values will be different. Now, out of all these products, which will give you the best opportunity to sell on Amazon? Well, that is determined by the opportunity score present here. It determines the sales potential of your product. It's SellerApp's exclusive feature wherein SellerApp algorithm scores these products based on these criteria. For this product, the opportunity score is high and it depends on these factors. In order to get high sales potential, you need to have high opportunity score. For that, you've got to have high demand, high revenue potential, low competition, low overhead cost, high profit margin, and high PIS index. PIS index is the Product Innovation Scope Index, which determines the scope of improvement in your product. Apart from this, you have other metrics which will help you to select the best product to sell on Amazon. Additionally, you also have this column called Track Product, where you can successfully track them to understand the quality and the performance of your listings. In this way, you can easily find out the top products to sell on Amazon. So, by adhering to the established guidelines and concentrating on a specific niche, along with utilizing your competitors' data and trends, you can reduce the complexity of your Amazon product research. Rather than squandering time on unworkable products, you may focus on research and employ the Amazon research techniques discussed to locate the profitable products. SellerApp's product research feature can be incredibly useful for sellers at all levels, whether you are just starting out or are advanced level sellers looking to expand into a new product line or even a marketplace. If you have any questions or concerns, the SellerApp team is available to assist you at support@sellerapp.com. And that's it for this video, everyone. Thanks for watching. Your support means a lot to us. It encourages us to bring out more helpful videos like this. We have published an in-depth blog on better ways to do product research like a pro, which you can find in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to SellerApp. Let us know if you guys want us to create detailed seller guides on any specific topics. You can leave them in your suggestions in the comment section below and we'll definitely create them for you. If you haven't already, click the bell icon so that you will never miss another video. And as always, happy selling!